Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to this episode. We have the Hammonds out, or Hammonds, or however you want to pronounce them. They are sold. The guy is coming to pick them up today. We also have our chip came in from SS Quid for the Alpha Intune. Our headlights came in for the red car. We bought H1 LED headlights to replace the HIDs that are on here and get rid of all that box and wiring and everything. But guys, super exciting. I didn't think the tune was going to come in today, but let's get to it. So guys, on our list still today is to paint and prime and get that lip ready to go for paint so we can get it on and get it done. But we have to wait for the guy to come pick up the wheels, then we can run to O'Reilly's and grab our paint. I think I have primer, but I need paint itself for the lip. But we also have the chip and the headlights to put in tonight. Also the carbon fiber airbox we got to put in tonight as well. So we have a lot of stuff to accomplish in this video. Doesn't seem like a lot, but it's easy stuff, but it's kind of time consuming. So we need to get this lip off and get it ready for primer. Now that we got the lip off, we can now separate the two pieces. This has the little Allen heads in it that hold the little wing pieces on either side. So we can take these off, set them off to the side, so we can now prep and sand all the pieces and get them ready for primer. So let's do it. So I'm gonna hit this stuff with 320, knock it all down. It's got some sanding areas on it that I want to smooth out, so I'll hit it with 320 all over and prep it for primer. So guys, the HM2 Hammond wheels are gone. They are leaving right now in an E90. But we have our first layer of primer on the wing, our front lip, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to lay our second coat. While we let that dry, we are going to go to 1, O'Reilly's, get paint. 2, Lowe's to get some bolts. Some better bolts to hold that lip on. Now the ones I have were temporary, but I just need to get better sizes. So we'll go do that. When we get back, we will do the chip. And we got to disconnect the battery, do the chip and the headlights, and then finish the lip, put it on, and the car is basically done, guys. Oh, no it's not, I lied. Carbon fiber intake, the manifold. Put that on, then we're done. Yes! So, let's spray the second coat of primer, and then head out to Lowe's. So guys, we are back. All our pieces are primed. We have some black, flat black, semi-gloss black paint. We want to kind of mimic the OEM lip, which is kind of semi-gloss. It's not flat, but it's semi-gloss. So we're going to paint this up before we lose some light. At least get 2 coats on it so that it can sit overnight and cure and dry. And then we can put it onto the bumper and onto the car tomorrow, but it needs to give time to dry. So let's paint it. So guys, the lip is painted. We are now moving to the actual car. We need to disconnect the battery so that we can pull the ECU out so we can put the new chip in and put the new headlights in, guys. So let's disconnect the battery and then we'll jump to the front of the car. We'll start pulling all the ECU and everything out. Chip replacement, guys, was easy. We just swapped it out, took it inside, did what we have to do, and now we are looking at the headlights. Might as well do these while we have the battery disconnected, since we're working with electrical. So we need to find the H1 headlight bulb, which is right here, the outside one. We'll pull this off. Pull this bulb out. Try not to touch it, the filament. And we will pull this little rubber gasket out. Well, it looks like it's about to burn out anyways. And we'll disconnect all this and get all of this out of the way. And we'll be right back, ready to put the H1 bulbs in. So guys, first things first, we've reconnected the battery. Let's see if this will run. If the new chip from SS Quid will turn the car on, make sure I got it in there right, and all that kind of stuff. So let's see if this car will turn over and start and run. So guys, it runs. Now that the car starts, we know that it starts. Need to see if the headlights work. So we put in, that one is still the original HID. This one is the new LED. So let's turn the headlights on and see if it actually comes on. There we go. And it does. So we have a, we don't have a headlight over there, but we got a headlight here. Huh. I wonder, well, thank goodness we're doing headlights, because yeah, that would absolutely suck. So let's replace that one and get it looking like this one. Ooh, this is super bright. I was going to do a difference, but I guess that one's broke. So let's put the other one in. Let's see if the second one comes on. See if we both have headlights. We do. So the other ones were bad anyway, so I didn't know that. But they look absolutely great. Snap a picture. They're good. And they have little fans on the back of them. So I'm going to clean up all the wires and do all that, and they should be good to go, guys. So that is gonna be it for the car for tonight, guys. So we got it started, we got the headlights installed, we have the lip painted, and we're letting the lip dry. We can't start the car again because it's too late and I have neighbors, and the car is just extremely loud. So guys, that is it for this video. We're gonna be back at it tomorrow. Actually gonna get this thing off the wheel dollies, back it out, start messing with the car, driving it, see what's up, and seeing what she sounds like out on the road. So guys, we are back, and that's a black cat. Meow. Pino. So guys, we are back at it. You saw us, we got the tune, we got the headlights in, and I got a...
So guys.
I got my Lux grills in. So we got new luxury grills, OEM for the bumper, and we're going to be painting those to match the lip. And as you can see, we have the lip over here drying, which it dried all day long, and we're going to be putting that back on the bumper as we paint the Lux grills, we also have to put in the carbon fiber plenum. And the one thing I did remember, or forgot but I remembered, is we had to modify the dipstick to fit with the new throttle body. So we have to modify that to put that on to drive the car, because if not, then oil just gonna out everywhere. Paint that, put the carbon fiber manifold on. So let's get to it. Well, it's been crazy. I've been trying to get this done, trying to power through, so I didn't get to film a lot. But as you can see, the carbon fiber intake manifold is on. So much carbon in the engine bay right now. The MAF is on. All of the back portions on. I need to put the little cover sheet on. Pull the strut bar back down and bolt it back down. But the car is basically done. For some reason, I don't know where my intake pipe and filter is. All I got is this filter, but this is a little rinky-dink, like 3-inch filter. I need a 3.5. I swear I had one laying around here, guys. I don't know where. But the bumper, the center grille that we painted is chillaxing over there with some bricks on it to hold it down while I epoxy it to the bumper. But that's going to be done. Once that's done, it goes back on tomorrow. This thing gets started and driven and cleaned and hopefully washed tomorrow night and get everything cleaned up and ready to go for the show on Saturday. So, a lot of work, guys. A lot of work.